Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Matilda, and today we're diving into something super fun and very close to my heart, Korean movies. Yes, you heard that right. So we're ranking some of my favorite Korean movie characters, and I need you to get ready for more serious debates because I'm about to crown one of them as the ultimate character. You might agree with me or you might totally disagree, but that's the fun part. So if you're a K movie lover like me, keep watching and let's dive in. Now, for those of you who have been living under a rock, just kidding. Korean movies have been absolutely killing it with some of the most iconic, emotional, and unforgettable characters. From thrillers to rom-coms, historical dramas to action-packed blockbusters, there's no shortage of amazing characters. But today, I'm taking it one step further. I'm ranking my top 5 favorite characters from Korean movies. And at the end, we'll decide who the ultimate character is. Trust me, this is going to be fun. Number 5 is none other than Kim Ki-taek from Bong Joon-ho's Parasite. Now, this guy is, oh my gosh, he's not your typical hero, but he steals your heart in the most unexpected ways. And this was played by the amazing Song Kang-ho. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Yeah, but Song Kang-ho is a father who's just trying to provide for his family in a deeply divided society. Now I love him. I mean, that's his character. He's got this quiet strength that makes him stand out, and his actions in the movie are a true masterclass in what it means to be a hero in an imperfect world. So number 5 for me is Kim Ki-taek. You may not have asked for fame, but you got it with this iconic performance. Next up at number 4 is Jang Jo-won from The Man from Nowhere, aka the ultimate bad boy with a good side. So this was played by the legendary Won Bin. Now, Jang Jo-won is a former special agent who's trying to live a quiet life, but he gets dragged back into all the action to save the girl next door. So we all know that action characters like this have a special place in our hearts, right? So Jang Jo-won is not tough, but there's this vulnerability to him that just makes you root for him even more. He's literally out here punching people while trying to keep his heart in the right place. I mean, who can resist that? So, and number 3 for me would be Oh Jung-woo from A Werewolf Boy. Now, this was played by Song Joong-ki, and this is one of the characters who makes you believe in love. Even if it's a little supernatural, the way he transforms from a wild animal like boy into this sweet, caring soul is absolutely beautiful. Now, listen, Oh Jun-woo is pure romantic drama gold. I mean, if you haven't cried watching him try to protect the girl he loves, I don't know what to tell you. He's the kind of character that makes you wish you could, jump into the movie and just give him a hug. So number 3 for me would be Oh Jung-woo without a doubt. Now coming in at number 2, we have Sun Woo from the VIP. So she's a total femme fatale who knows exactly how to work her way through high stakes situations. So Sun Woo is intelligent, calculating, and has a sharp edge that makes her so compelling to watch. So Sun Woo is a perfect mix of beauty and brains, and let's be real, we love a character who is both mysterious and badass. I love how she, stays calm under pressure and she knows exactly what to do in a sticky situation. She's got that vibe that makes you say, you don't want to mess with her. You really don't want to mess with her. And finally, at number 1, we have my absolute favorite, Lee Bong-gyeon in The Good, The Bad, The Weird. Okay, so this character is literally wild. And Lee Bong-gyeon just brings so much energy to the role. He's a trickster, he's funny, he's super charming, and his actions always keep you on the edge of your seat. But if you don't love him, are you even a K-movie fan? So these are my top 5 favorite Korean movie characters, but I want to hear from you. Do you agree with my ranking? who would you put as number one? Maybe you think Ju-won deserves to be higher, or Jung-woo should be on the top. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm so excited to hear what you guys think. And hey, don't be shy. Let's debate in the comments. If you love this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future rankings or fun content. Also, please share this with a friend who's a K-movie fanatic. Let's grow the conversation and keep talking about these amazing characters. Thanks for watching. For the meantime, stay fabulous.